So I just cut these slots on the table saw. So I'm going to measure these every 2 inches. That will give me 7 compartments for sandpaper. Using this plywood, it'll take about 2 cuts. 2 cuts should do it, just with the regular blade. Fantastic. So now we have our slots cut for the dividers. A little tight on some of them, but that's okay, they'll all fit. So the top and the bottom are done. Now we cut the sides. Now I've got the top and the bottom and the sides for my sandpaper bay. So now I've got to cut some dividers. This top part might serve as a little shelf as well. It's a sturdy piece of wood, so why not? So that concludes building a sanding rack for your workshop. It's just made out of scrap bin materials. It's an easy project to put together in less than an hour, and it cleans up your workshop, makes it a lot easier to find the sandpapers that I need to work with. Honestly, don't know why I didn't do it sooner. If you like this video, please leave a like, don't forget to share, and if you're new here, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.